In this video, I'll show you how to enable screen time tracking on your iPhone. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing down below and giving this video a like so others can find it too. Okay, so if you're anything like me and you're using your phone all day long and you want to keep track of what apps you're using the most and you kind of want to slow it down with your screen time, here's how you can turn it on your settings app. The first thing we're going to do is select settings. Then you're going to scroll down to the bottom and you will select screen time. If you currently have screen time turned off, this is what you're going to see. To turn it on, simply select App and Website Activity and hit Turn on App and Website Activity. Now it's going to take a few minutes to update and give us some information about our screen time usage. So once you're done updating that, simply select right here. And right here, your phone is going to give you a weekly report of how much you're using your phone and how much you're using it every day and every week right here at the top. Right here is going to show you your most used apps. So maybe Instagram, WhatsApp, or Facebook, whatever it is that you're using. And also is showing you the daily pickups. So for example, I have opened Google Chrome twice today. And let's say that on average, you open Instagram 30 or 20 times a day. You can see that right here under pickups as well. And if you scroll down just a little bit more, you can also see how many notifications you're getting from every single app. If it's your first time enabling screen time tracking, you will not have as much data, but trust me, over time, you will be able to see a lot of insights and information that are going to help you be more mindful of how much you're using your phone, especially social media. And that's how easy you can track how much you're using your phone. And now you're able to track how much you're using your phone every single day and every single week. Hope that helped.